Yes, now 7th unit, theatres. Okay, theatre I already started. In the theatre I have started here in the trial. Already I told you this is the trial, this is the novel. What is the novel? The Saint Joan of Arc. Saint Joan of Arc, that is the novel which is written by George Bernard Shaw, and it is an extract part which is given in our textbook, that is the trial. Okay, the main character of this lesson, Joan of Arc. Yes, first half of the lesson you have listened. I hope you understood that. The remaining part is going to be explained. Just watch it. Welcome back to the class, children. Yes, now 7th unit, which was started before. Yes, in the 7th unit, A reading, the trial. Okay. Yes, here half of the lesson we have completed. Now let us revise the lesson once.
Yes, Joan of Arc was a French peasant girl. She claimed that the voices of saints have told her she was called on by God to help her country. She entered into the battle. She fought for her country and renewed the confidence by lifting the siege of Orleans in 9 days. Later, she was captured by the British. Now, the trial which means the enquiry, legal enquiry has been started. The inquisitor ordered to bring the Joan. Then she was brought in the chains with a log of wood. Joan said that, what did she say? You are determined that I shall be burnt as a witch. The court already, you are determined, you have taken the decision to burnt me as a witch, which I already told you the meaning in the previous class. Witch, it is the person who practices the black magical powers. Okay, and you think that, you thought that to burn me. Already you are decided to burn me. And I already told you the doctor he came to my room, but he did not stop my bleeding because he thought that the witch's witchery leaves if she bleed, means if my blood goes away, then only my magical powers will go away. The silly people thought that. She thought. Okay, that is the lesson we have completed in the previous class. Okay, and now she gave some pet answers to the court. Okay, then here the caution said you shouldn't give such type of pet answers to the court. He said that. Did you remember, children? Now let's go to the topic.
Yes, here in the previous class, the John said, if you are the reasonable, I will be the reasonable. If you ask the questions in a proper way, I will give the answers in a proper way, she said. Now the inquisitor, interposing. Interposing means he interfered in the court, means he interfered in the matter. Okay. This is not yet in order. You forget, Master Promoter. The proceedings have not been formally opened. The time for question is after she has sworn on the Gospels to tell her the whole truth. Okay, and here what is the meaning of this one? And he said that this is not correct proceeding. Correct proceedings means correct procedure. It is not the correct procedure. First we have to make her to swear on the Gospels. Gospels means the Bible divided into two parts, that is the Old Testament and New Testament. In the New Testament, first 4 books are called Gospels. Okay, and we have to make her to promise on the Gospels. Then she will tell the whole truth. Okay, he said that, and we are not following that. This is not correct. This is not formal, he said. Joan, you say this to me every time. I have said again and again that I will tell you all that concerns this trial, but I cannot tell you the whole truth. God does not allow the whole truth to be told. You do not understand it when I tell it. It is an old saying that he who tells too much truth is sure to be hanged. I am weary of this argument. We have been over it 9 times already. I have sworn as much as I will swear, and I will swear no more. Yes. You say this to me every time. Every time you are asking me, swear on the gospel. But I didn't. I don't want to do that. I have said again and again, I will tell you that the concern this trial, but I cannot tell you the whole truth. I won't tell you the whole truth. And why she doesn't want to tell the whole truth? And she is saying that here God does not allow the whole truth to be told. And God did not give me the permission to say the whole truth. You do not understand it? When I tell you. If I say, but you cannot understand. It is an old saying that who tells too much truth is sure to be hanged. Now this is the old saying she is saying here. If anyone says the too much truth, definitely they will be hanged. This is the old saying she is explaining here. I am weary of this argument. We have been over it 9 times already. It is not one time. This trial was happened 9 times. Okay, I'm weary, which means very tired of this argument. Every time you are saying to me to swear on the Gospels, but God did not allow me to say the whole truth. Okay, I'm weary about this argument. I don't want to tell anymore. And here, I have sworn as much as I will swear, and I will swear no more. Many times I swore, but this time I can't swear. I will swear no more. I won't promise anymore, she said. Corsels. My lord, she should be put to the torture, he said. Yes, already we have discussed, no? Corsels is completely against for John. And what did he say? My lord, she should be put in the torture. Torture, which means great physical, mental sufferings. Okay, means physical pain. Okay, we have to give her physical or mental pain to her. Who said? Corsels said. The Inquisitor. You hear, John? That is what happens to the obdurate. Think before you answer. Has she been shown the instruments? Shown means here, this is the means British English, that correct word is shown. Okay. You hear, John. And Inquisitor, just to see, he said in a polite way. You hear, John. This is what happens to the obdurate. Obdurate means adamant. Okay. And this is to be the adamant. Think before you answer. Has she been shown the instrument? Means he is asking the Inquisitor asking the executioner, have you shown the instruments to the John? Means what are the instruments? Did you remember? Yes, I already told you, no. They decided to kill her. Yes, here. And he is asking, the Inquisitor asking, has she been shown the instruments? He is asking the executioner. Executioner, he is completely prepared. Okay, prepared with the instruments. What are those instruments? Sticks, fuel and everything. Means they are ready to burn her. Okay. Executioner. They are ready, my lord. She has been seen. Yes, everything. The sticks and the stack, the fuel, everything she has seen, sir, he said. Yes, the instruments has been prepared. Okay, John. If you tear me limb from limb until you separate my soul from my body, you will get nothing out of me beyond what I have told you. What more is there to tell that you could understand? Besides, I cannot bear to be hurt, and if you hurt me, I will say anything you like to stop the pain. But I will take it all back afterwards. So what is the use of it? She said. Yes, what is John saying? That if you tear my limb from limb until you separate my soul from my body. Means what is the meaning of this one? If you tear me, if you tear my body parts, you cannot get anything from me. Yes, you will get nothing out of beyond what I have told you. Okay, I already told you, no, I won't say anything. So if you tear me also, I won't say anything. What more is there to tell? Could understand? Can't you understand? Besides, I cannot bear to be hurt. If you hurt me, I will say anything you like to stop the pain. Okay, every time if you want to give the pain, okay, just give the pain. Then what do I say? Then whatever you want the answer, I will say that answer only. But I won't say the real answer. Okay, you cannot get the real answer. To stop the pain, I will say the answer. Okay sir, I will say the answer. I will tell like that, but I won't say any answer. But I will take it back afterwards. After that I won't say anything. Okay. So what? So what is the use of it? If you beat me, if you scold me, whatever. If you hurt me, then whatever it is, at that time I will take, okay sir, I will say the truth, but I won't say the truth, isn't it? What is the use of it? If you hurt me, if you scold me, what is the use of it? She said. Ledwenu, and I already told you, he is the favorable person to the John. There is much in that. What we should proceed mercifully, he said. Ledwenu said that there is much in that. We should proceed mercifully. Of course, we shouldn't give any torture to this innocent girl. We have to proceed in a merciful. Merciful means in a kind way. We have to show to her in a kind way, he said. But Corcels, I already told he is against for the John. What did he say? But the torture is customary. Sir, we have to give the torture is customary. Customary means that is the tradition, sir. The person who is against for the God, we have to give the torture for them, he said. The inquisitor. It must not be applied wantonly. If the accused will confess voluntarily, then it is use cannot be justified. The inquisitor, what did he say? It must not be applied wantonly. Means here wantonly means violently. Okay, no need to apply her violently. If the accused means the person who commit for the crime. Okay, the criminal. Okay, if the accused will confess voluntarily, means the confessor, if she confess voluntarily, then it is use cannot be justified, means there is no justice at all. Yes, courses. But this is unusual and irregular. She refuses to take the oath. Okay, what did he say? What is he saying? Sir, this is the first case. At least she is not swearing on the gospel. She refuses to take the oath. Oath means promise. Okay, even she is refusing to promise on the gospel. This is unusual and irregular. We didn't see such type of case till now, he said. And Ledwenu, disgusted. Do you want to torture the girl for mere pleasure of it? He said. And his Ledwenu is saying that for your pleasure, for your happiness, do you want to give the punishment to the girl? He is asking the question. Corcels, bewildered. But it's not pleasure, it is law, it is customary, it is always done. Here he said that, just see, and here Corcels, bewildered. Bewildered means confused. Okay, and it's not a pleasure, sir. Sir, it is not my pleasure, it is the law. Okay, what is the law? If anybody against for the God, they must be punished. That is the law for them. It is the law. It is customary. It is our tradition. It is always done. If anybody against for the God, they have to be punished, he said. The Corcels said. The inquisitor, that is not so, master. Except when the inquiries are carried on by people who do not know their legal business. Here, they don't know what is the legal things. For them, it's no problem, the inquisitor said. But here, Corcels, but the woman is heretic. I assure you, it is always done. The Corcels is saying that, sir, the woman is heretic. Heretic means, I already told you, the person who is against for the Christianity. Okay, but the girl is against for the Christianity, she is against for the church. Yes, I assure it is always done. If anyone against for the law, they have to get punishment. They are deserve to get punishment, sir, and I assure it is always done. Yes, caution or caution. Deceively, it will not be done today if it is not necessary. Let there be an end of this. I will not have it said that we proceed on forced confession. We have sent our best preachers, doctors to this woman to exhort and implore her to save her soul and body from the fire. We shall not now send the executioner to thrust her into it. Yes, here he said that one deceively, and it will not be done today if it is not necessary. Means here the trial, if it is not completed, the trial means, that is, I already told you in the starting, means if it is not completed this enquiry, it will be postponed again. Let there be an end of this. I will not have it said proceed to forced confession. I won't agree with the forced confession. We shouldn't force her. We have sent our best preachers and doctors to this woman to exhort. What is the meaning of exhort? Advice, to give the advice, and implore. Implore means pray or pleading. Okay, to plead her. Why did they send? To save her soul and body from the fire. We shall not now send the executioner to thrust. Thrust means push her on into it. Yes, here we already sent doctors and we already sent the great preachers to save the girl. The caution said. Yes, Corsels, he is saying that your lordship is merciful, of course, but it is great responsibility to depart from usual practice. What did he say? The Corsel say, sir, you are very merciful person, you are a kind person, of course, but it is our responsibility. We shouldn't depart. Depart means we shouldn't leave our usual practice. Usual practice means if anyone against for the God, they have to give the punishment for them. So we shouldn't leave our usual practice. Okay, we shouldn't leave our responsibilities. Then John, thou art a rare noodle, master. Do what was done last time is thy rule. Yes, here see, it is the old English. Okay, and it is the old English. What did she say? Though means here you are a rare noodle, master. Here rare noodle means, here what is the meaning of this one? Head. Okay, like means there is no sense. Okay, and in Telugulo మనం ఒక మాట అంటూ ఉంటాం, మనకేమైనా కోపం వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, నీ తలకాయ. Such words we are using now. Like that she also used. Though are a rare noodle, master. Do what was done last time is your rule. That means this is old English, you are. Okay, you are rule. Okay, do you want to apply what is the rule you have applied in the past? Do you want to apply now? She said. Corsels rising, and he is very angry now. Why? Because she called noodle, no? So now he Corsels rising, though wanton. Dost thou dare call me noodle? Here also just see some words here. Those are from Old English. Corsel saying that you wanton. Though means that is the Old English, no? Wanton means unrestrained. Okay, and here this is also Old English. Okay, now we are using do. Do you? Okay, do you dare call me noodle? You are talking like that. Do you call me? How dare you to call me as a noodle? Is asking the inquisitor. Patience, master, patience. I fear you will soon be only too terribly avenged. Just be patient, sir. Don't be angry, the inquisitor said. Corsels. Noodle? Indeed. Actually, he is saying the noodle to the yes, I not noodle, you only noodle. He mutters. Mutters means speaking in a quiet way. He sits down much discontented. Discontented means dissatisfaction. Yes, here Joan and Corsels both each other scolded themselves. Means both scolded each other. Okay, now something is going to be happened for the Joan. What is going to happen for the Joan? We can see in the next class. I hope everybody understood it. I hope you understood the lesson well. And remaining part is going to be explained in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.